Finding mood boards on Behance is an excellent way to gather creative inspiration and explore different styles, themes or concepts. Here's how you can find them. Log into Behance. Visit Behance and log into your account. You can also browse without an account, but logging in allows you to interact more fully with projects and save favorites. Use a search bar. At the top of the page, you will find a search bar. Type in keywords like mood board, inspiration board, or specific themes such as fashion mood board or branding mood board. Press enter to search. Filter your search. Once you get the search results, you can narrow them down using filters. Click on filters located below the search bar. You can filter by projects, images, or even by specific tools used or creative fields such as graphic design, photography, or fashion. Explore mood boards. Scroll through the search results to view mood boards created by other designers. Click on any project to see it in more detail. Save or follow. If you like a mood board, you can appreciate it, save it to a collection, or follow the creator for future inspiration.